process of launching, I wasn't going to talk about it. We're in the process of launching something called Revelana, and it's an all-in-one software system. And it's made specifically for aesthetics practices. So whether you're an individual starting an aesthetics practice, or you're going to have your own business, it's like head to toe, A to Z, everything you need, the website, posting, email templates, and like for your grand opening and for your rebooking and for your welcome new client. And, you know, we went through the whole science of what it takes to manage your practice from beginning to like maintenance, everything all the way through. So it's got everything, a reputation management system, a CRM, it's got a phone system, an appointment setting system, a rebooking system, and a reminder system, a membership management system. It's really got everything you can imagine, even a phone system. And we're doing it for, it's going to end up the entire system. It's a software solution. The whole thing is going to be $69.95 a month. The whole thing, website and everything.
And Erica, not to interrupt, but just to let you guys know, I'm spending probably $10,000 a month, the same thing, because everything's custom, this, that. So the reason that we're in the process of putting this together, over the last year, putting Louology together, Erica and I have come to the conclusion, we've been asked this 1,000 times, hey, I'm starting a business. I don't know how to even get a website, get hosting, send out emails. And also the example I gave you of my nurse friend who's making 400 grand a year. For the first year, she was did everything manual, like literally like had no appointment setting system. People would call her, she'd scribble on a piece of paper. You know, once in a while she'd send out a personal email from her Gmail and just had no systems in place at all. And finally, we sat down 6 months ago. I go, geez, you're driving me crazy. I go, you need like a little CRM system. You need an appointment system so people can book online. You need templates. So it's automated. So you could press a button that sends out email number 1 and email number 3 and 5 and a text system. And she's, oh, Louis, I don't know how to do this. And I had her walk her through. We piecemealed every piece of the pie for her. And it was like $500 here and $1,000 there. She must have spent $8,000 or $10,000. That's when Erica started talking. We got to find a way to make this cost effective for people who are just getting rolling. They don't got $1 zillion. And so we figured out a formula for pennies on the dollars to kind of give a starting system for people who want to start their own venture and don't want to start as a $1 zillion business, but kind of baby stepping into it and all the fundamental things that you're crazy not to do. Because to start a business and not be doing some email marketing and text marketing and having an appointment system and hosting a web, just all the basic things that you won't even think about for a year down the road because you're so busy trying to treat people and follow up. And we want to make your life easy. And so we live in a digital world. And the name of the game is how much can you automate so you don't have to do all this manual labor and constantly be paying people again and again and again. We can just press a button each month and click and send. So Erica, I know we're almost ready to launch, but like, are we in a beta stage yet? Or
well, what I'm doing right now, we can launch it tomorrow. What I'm doing though is I'm going to take 10 members, and you have to be at least a free member. But I'm going to take 10 members. It'll be $49.95 a month. And we're going to set it all up for you. We're going to do everything. We're going to help you write the they're already designed templates, but we're going to help you write everything, put all the automations in place, get the website ready and launched, and like hold your hand through it all. And the reason why we're doing it so cheap is because I want your feedback, and we're willing to like make modifications to it according to reality, according to what's really important to you or what's right about it, what's wrong about it, whatever it is. So if anyone's interested, again, please just email me, because we'll have a separate meeting, and it's called Revelana, but it's on, if you go to louology.com/services, it just has the initial articulation, but you're not allowed to purchase it yet. If you push a button, it's not going to let you.
And you guys, we weren't going to talk about it. We weren't even going to launch it. For
I know.
Since somebody was mentioning appointment systems, I'm glad you brought it up, Erica. Thank you. You guys, as we evolve, as we hear other needs that people want and desires, we're going to, create products and services that are affordable based on what the community of the whole world wants out there. Because our goal is to help people grow in the aesthetics world for as little money as possible and get to where they want to go without, having to do it all. Because a provider wants to be a provider. A provider doesn't want to be a person behind the scenes doing this and that. And a marketing person doesn't want to be a provider. We want to wear the hat that we're best at and try to outsource other things for pennies on the dollar if we can, obviously.